The Power of Cabbage, Traditional Diets and Their Impact on Weight Management. Cabbage, often underrated and overshadowed by trendier greens, has been a staple in many traditional diets around the world. This humble vegetable is not only versatile and delicious, but also packed with nutrients that can aid in weight management. Let's explore some traditional diets where cabbage takes center stage and see how it helps in maintaining a healthy weight. Korean kimchi. Kimchi is a Korean staple made from fermented cabbage and a variety of seasonings. Rich in probiotics, vitamins, and fiber, kimchi is more than just a spicy condiment. The fermentation process enhances its nutritional profile, promoting gut health and improving digestion. Regular consumption of kimchi has been linked to better weight management thanks to its low-calorie content and ability to promote a healthy metabolism. Eastern European sauerkraut. Sauerkraut, a traditional dish in many Eastern European countries, is another fermented cabbage delicacy. Like kimchi, sauerkraut is teeming with probiotics that support digestive health. The high fiber content helps you feel fuller longer, reducing overall calorie intake. Its low calorie and carbohydrate content make it an excellent addition to a weight-conscious diet. Russian Shi soup. Shi is a classic Russian soup made primarily from cabbage, meat, and a variety of vegetables. This hearty, low-calorie soup is often consumed as a main meal. The high fiber content of cabbage in shi helps regulate appetite and promote satiety, making it easier to manage weight. Plus, the warm, comforting nature of the soup is perfect for those cold winter months. 4. Chinese stir-fried cabbage. In Chinese cuisine, stir-fried cabbage is a common dish that pairs well with various proteins and grains. Cabbage's low-calorie density and high water content make it a perfect choice for those looking to manage their weight. The quick cooking method retains most of its nutrients while providing a delicious, crunchy texture. Conclusion: cabbage, with its impressive nutritional profile, plays a significant role in various traditional diets worldwide. From the spicy tang of kimchi to the comforting warmth of shi soup, these dishes not only delight the palate, but also support weight management. Incorporating cabbage into your diet can be a flavorful and effective way to maintain a healthy weight, thanks to its low-calorie, high fiber, and nutrient-rich properties. So next time you're meal planning, give cabbage the spotlight it deserves and enjoy the health benefits it brings.